Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together and quickly. In the first step, we need to go to search bar, type here cmd, right click on it and select run as administrator, select S. So firstly type here chkdsk and hit enter. So this command will take a quick 4 to 5 seconds to complete the process, and we need to wait for it. Once done, we will move to the next command, that will be sfc space slash scan file equal to c colon backslash windows backslash system 32 slash ie frame .dll and hit enter. Now type your sfc space slash verify file equal to c colon backslash windows backslash system 32 backslash ie frame .dll and hit enter. Now we need to type in sfc space slash scan now and hit enter. This command will take a lot of time to complete the process, around 10 to 25 minutes, depends upon your computer configuration how fast it is. And if you are doing this, executing this command after a long time, then it will take a little bit long time. So we need to complete this process in the background. Till then, just go to search bar, type your device manager and click here to open it. Now expand the monitors, right click on it, select properties, go to drivers tab and click on update driver. You have to do this process for sure to fix this issue quickly and effectively. So select this option and the base driver will be installed automatically. Once done, we need to expand display adapters, right click here, select properties and click on our drivers and do the update driver. Again select the first option and the base drivers will be installed automatically. Once done, close all windows one by one and make sure you have to do these verification up to the 100%. And once done, simply restart the system and problem will be solved. That's it guys. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be also a better way to fix this issue. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.